Alright, so today we're going to be opening up a Juice World mystery box, but before we get into that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and also song of the day. Gonna have to give it to Bad Energy by Juice World, and this has to be one of my favorite songs off of Legends Never Die. Go listen to it, it's amazing. And yeah, let's open up this mystery box. Okay, so here we got the mystery box. I'm not gonna turn it around or anything because my address is on the side. So yeah, I actually already let my friend go into this box and open everything up. I haven't seen what's in it except for this top part right there. So I'm really excited to open everything up. Hopefully he actually didn't mess up all of the packaging. I could see he actually already did a sloppy job putting everything back. So yeah, let's just get into it and open everything up. The first thing I see here is the weekend tee. That's what it says there. Everything should be double XL. That's my size. That's what I ordered. Just looks like a regular weekend tee. Nothing crazy. I believe Juice World is on here. I know what tee this is. I never ended up buying it. Not really sure why. I just really never bought it. But yeah, I actually really like this tee and I'm happy it's in here. Let's put that to the side. Here, we also have a... I'm assuming it's anything, yeah, a smile tee. So we do see like the guy smiling, and then that's, you know, 999. Don't really remember what this t-shirt looks like, if I'm being honest. Overall, so far I really like this tee more than this one, but I'm happy I got two things I don't have already, so really happy about that. And here, looking else in there. All right, we have, it looks like a hoodie. Bro, he ripped this. All right, whatever. Okay. All right, so it does say M's for medium. So I'm pretty sure they sent me the wrong size. I'll double check once I take everything out, but yeah, I'm pretty sure they sent me the wrong size, which sucks because I actually like this hoodie. I never bought it, so okay, that kind of sucks. But here you can see Juice World right there, Legend, and we also see Trippy Red right there, and then a couple girls. Overall, really sick hoodie. I just never ended up buying it, so I'm happy it came. It's not in my size, which sucks. Let's see, is there anything else in there? Anything good? All right, let's reach into it. Okay. Oh, we got V-Loan. All right, let's see what hoodie this is. All right, I actually already have this. I'm really happy I got this though, because I was actually kind of sad when I started wearing mine and I realized I'm not going to have another one because it's never going to look brand new. So I'm really happy I got this. Hopefully it's my size. Yes, it is my size. Okay, so yeah, I'm really happy I got this. If you guys want to see a picture of it, there it is on the screen. I wore this for Instagram, so just follow me on Instagram. I love this hoodie, man. This is definitely one of the best ones. It goes for quite a bit on the resale market as well, so I'm pretty sure this should cover like the gold $100 box alone. So that's awesome. And here, let's see if there's anything else. There should be like a $10 sheet, like t-shirt or something in there, hopefully. All right, it's in like a little package. So here, let's take this out. And here, I think everything is like in plastic as well, so I'm gonna just take everything out and show you guys. Also forgot to mention, this is my tattoo, 999 forever. Yeah, let's take a look at everything that's in the box. All right, so I opened up everything except for this V-Loan hoodie. If you guys want to see what it looks like, there's a picture of me wearing it on Instagram, and there's the back of it. That's pretty much it. I love this hoodie. Really happy this came in a box, so I'm just gonna put that to the side. And actually at the bottom, you guys saw me take it out, was the $10 mystery box. And in the mystery box, there was a Juice World cup. So this would run around $10 to $15 if you did buy from the store. So this alone is the value of the box. Really happy. I was actually going to buy this one day, but I don't know. I ended up just like not buying it. So really happy I got it. Also, there is a little like towel. It says Death Race for Love Tour 2019. I've never seen this on sale. But if I were to guess, it would probably be like, I don't know, $10 maybe, or like $7. So it is more value than the box like holds, I guess. So awesome. And also there was this little bag which I actually really wanted to buy, but I just ended up not buying it. Death Race for Love Tour 2019. I believe this is $15. So overall, it is more than $10, which is what I paid for them, like bronze mystery box. So I'm really happy with everything that came in that box. And Now with the gold one, we have the V-Lone hoodie, which is already, I believe, over like the price of the box. And we also have this like t-shirt, and this has to be my favorite thing from like the entire box other than the V-Lone hoodie. I love this t-shirt. I just never really ended up buying it. I don't know why, but I love it, man. I'm really happy I got this. On the back here, let me flip it over. It actually says 999, and then there's the XO at the top for the weekend. Yeah, this hoodie is fucking awesome. I'm really happy. I'm just super excited, man. There really isn't much I could say. Like, I can't wait to wear this like with something, and it just looks so cool. So I'm really happy I got this. And here, I actually also got this shirt, as you guys saw. It just says, "I'll do anything to see you just smile." Never really was interested in this shirt, mostly because it's white. I don't really wear white t-shirts, but it's really cool. I don't have this shirt yet, and again, it's more than the box's value, so that's awesome. And also we have this hoodie, "Tell Me You Love Me." I actually have a different "Tell Me You Love Me" hoodie, but it's not this one. This one is actually a size medium. Everything was supposed to be double XL, which is my size, but so I'm not really sure why this came in a size medium. I just emailed them about it, so hopefully we'll get that fixed, and maybe they'll send me something else or give me like a gift card or some shit. I don't really know, but yeah, I did get this in the box. And here, let me get right back in front of the camera and tell you guys if everything was worth it. All right, so I looked up all the values and added everything together with both mystery boxes, and here, let me tell you guys what everything is worth. Starting with the $10 mystery box, I counted everything for $10. So this cup was $10. This little bag was also $10, and this towel is also $10. The reason I counted everything as $10 was I feel like the cup is worth a little bit more, and I also feel like the bag might be worth a little bit more, and I feel like this might be worth a little bit less, but I am not 100% sure what everything could be worth. So I'm just gonna round it all up together and put everything as $10, which makes that $10 mystery box into $30 worth of value. With the $100 mystery box, this alone covers over value, man. Like the last sale on StockX for this was $190, and I only paid $100, so like this alone just covers the entire box. So I'm really happy I got this. I'm actually gonna keep it, so really happy with that. This is $190. Each shirt I put at $30. So here, let me show you guys one more time. I actually like this shirt a lot more, man. I'm super excited to wear this. And then the back, again, I believe it might be like $35, maybe even $40 a shirt, but I'm just gonna put it at $30 just to round it around there. And then this hoodie, I believe, is around $50. So yeah, that puts the box total at a minimum of $300. I could even see it being closer to $400, but I'm just trying to give everything the benefit of the doubt and give it like a lower value than what it really might be. The only thing I know for sure is that V-Lone, and obviously I bought in like shirts from, you know, 999 Club all the time, and those shirts are always like around $30 ish. Some of them range from like 30 to 50, so it really depends. I really don't know, because I didn't buy any of these shirts before, like prior to this mystery box. So yeah, that puts the value of the $10 mystery box at $30 and the $100 mystery box at $300. So do I think you should go out and buy this? Yes, I think you 100% should go out and buy this. The only problem is that they sold out, man. They sold out literally like an hour after they dropped, which is crazy, man. So that's probably why they messed up my order and gave me like a size medium or whatever. I already emailed them, so hopefully we're gonna get that fixed. Maybe they might send me another one, or just give me like store credit or something. Like, I don't know, it's like just something, man, because like I really can't wear this. I might give it to somebody, or if they want it, like if they want me to send it back, I guess I could do that too. Like, I don't really care. I'm just not really gonna wear it. I really enjoyed everything I got in the mystery box. I feel like nothing was like ass. Like, everything was really good. Like, if the hoodie was my size, I would actually be really excited. The $10 mystery box were all things that I really wanted. The only thing I just didn't know existed was this little towel. I don't know, I just never saw it on the store before, so that's the only thing that's like but like everything else is amazing. But yeah, that's pretty much the end of the video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. RIP Juice World 999 forever.